Hello guys, let's find the Disney Pixar Cars guys. Whoa, what is that guys? Wow, look at that. Wow, this is Max truck guys.
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive!
So cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, so cool. Wow, look at that. This is tow-meter guys.
Precisional instrument of speed and aromatics.
Amazing. Wow, let's collect guys. Wow, look at that. Green car. Amazing guys. Wow, look at that. Mini Cooper cars. So cool. Wow, look at that. This is Smokey guys.
Hello.
Wow, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, so cool guys. Oh, okay guys. Let's win the Disney Pixar Cars guys. Oh, what's that guys? Wow, look at that. This is Jackson Strom guys. So cool. Let's collect. Okay, next. Wow, look at that. This is dinoco team. Wow, so cool. Yellow color guys. Let's collect guys. Wow, look at that. Wow, Jackson Strom. Wow, amazing guys. Oh, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, look at that guys. This is Lightning McQueen guys. Wow, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, next guys. Wow, look at that. Wow, racing cars blue color guys. Amazing. Let's collect guys. Wow, so cool. Wow, look at that. Racing cars green color. Amazing. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is that guys? Blue color. Wow, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, amazing guys. Wow, look at that. Jackson Strom guys. Wow, so cool. Guys. Okay guys, let's go looking for Disney Pixar Cars. Wow, look at that guys. 3 cars. Wow, this is Lightning McQueen guys. So cool. Wow, let's collect guys. Wow, so cool guys. Oh, look at that. This is tow-meter guys. Oh, so cool. Wow, one more. Look at that. This is serif car guys. Wow. Hello serif. Okay guys, good. See you next time. Bye bye.